Hello guys, how are you? I have built a workflow here that triggers via Telegram and shows the final output directly in Excel. So I'm opening my Telegram now. Here, I've opened my bot, and I am going to capture an image of a business card. I am capturing the photo now. Whatever data is on this image will automatically show up in the Excel sheet. I'll crop it before sending, because a clean photo gives much better results. Okay, so I have sent it. You can see the running status appearing in an n8n now. It has started. As soon as the status marks complete, the data will appear over there. It takes a few seconds, maximum 30 seconds, but usually it gets done much faster than that. And look, the data has appeared. You can see the data is completely accurate. There are no mistakes in it. You might notice the full name column is blank. The reason for that is simply that this specific card does not have a person's name on it. That is why it is showing as blank. I will explain the rest of the n8n workflow in my next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. Thank you very much.